How to use English phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs are expressions formed by combining a verb with a preposition or adverb. They are commonly used in spoken and informal English. For example, get up means to rise from a sitting or lying position, like I get up at 7 a.m. Turn off means to stop something, such as please turn off the light. Look after means to take care of someone or something, like I look after my younger brother. To use phrasal verbs correctly, first learn their meaning. Many phrasal verbs have multiple meanings depending on the context. Second, practice using them in sentences. Third, listen to native speakers using phrasal verbs to understand how they are used naturally. By practicing regularly, you will be able to use phrasal verbs with confidence in conversations.